Hi guys, CJ here from Yugatech. Today is the global launch and announcement of the new POCO F series, the POCO F6 and the POCO F6 Pro. And the team is in Dubai now to cover the event. POCO has established itself by providing budget-friendly yet high-performing smartphones over the years. And the POCO F6 certainly did not disappoint. This new baby comes with the brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chipset, and that's just for starters. For those interested in the POCO F6 Pro, just wait until the end of this video to watch more about that one. Our review unit comes in this light blue colorway, which sports a matte-like metal texture for its frame and back panel. We also noticed that the LED flash is bigger when compared to last year's F5 model. At first glance, we already took a liking to it in comparison to last year's POCO F5 and its glossy back panel. The more smudge resistance, the better. I also noticed that POCO didn't include a 3.5mm audio port for the F6 too. Overall, it has a minimal design with a thin form factor and feels just as lightweight as last year's iteration of the device. Compared to the POCO F5, the higher pixel density is evident with this device. We also appreciate the thin bezels around the phone. Now then, how does the POCO F6 fare with the new Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 chip? We were able to play teamfight tactics on high settings with no frame drops nor slowing down of any sort. The smooth display plus a high-performing phone definitely makes for great gaming sessions with the F6. It managed to get fairly high scores for the following tests. It's also able to pump out 1.4 million points in Antutu version 10 and above 15,000 for the PC Mark Work 3.0 test. Long story short, the F6 is a fast phone with fast storage. This is roughly twice how fast the POCO F5 was, so we can only imagine how better the F6 Pro will fare. This is roughly twice how fast the POCO F5 was. Viewers should know that in comparison to the F5's triple rear cameras, the F6 only has a dual shooter. We somehow prefer the results of the F6 more. While it's under a budgeted segment, it produces clear images with accurate colors, and shots taken have a good amount of detail to them. Subjectively, we think the real kicker here is the F6 video capabilities. For selfies, we get a 20-megapixel shooter with a 2.2 aperture. And when you take selfies outside, the shots look great, just like this recording. Completing the specs is a large 5000 mAh polymer battery with 90-watt turbo charging. We're not yet done with our full suite of battery and charging tests, so we'll share that info in our full review, which you can find in the comments below. And of course, you can watch our review on the F6 Pro variant right here. We can surely say that the POCO F6 is a good choice for a daily driver if users have taken an interest in the device already. As for the price, POCO assures us that it will be under $400 when it arrives on local shores. You can read our full review on the website, but we'll also leave a link in the description below. But hey, what do you guys think? Is the POCO F6 a cop or a drop? Be sure to hit that like button and ring the notification bell for more of our videos. Don't forget to follow us on our socials at Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok. And visit our website at yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this has been CJ, and I'll see you next time. Bye!